partnering with universities, multifamily buildings, and commercial real estate developers to install laundry soap refill stations, Generation Conscious has built a zero-waste, zero-water infrastructure to end hygiene insecurity and create a paradigm shift necessary in the U.S. consumer culture. It is a first-generation, Black-led company that employs local labor, reinvests surplus profits into BIPOC and queer-led fellowships, and ensures economic success is shared by the workers. In 1 year, they've grown from 2 to 23 university-paid partners, amassing more than 500 student volunteers and 71 first-generation low-income student workers. Since 2021, Generation Conscious has also eliminated 4.8 tons of water, saved 154 tons of carbon emissions, and diverted 32,000 plastic jugs from landfills, incinerators, and the environment.